Hey, what's up in the web? It's your boy Francis again, and welcome back to Tolkien's Unknown Grandchild, aka Tug. Now, in this video, I figured I would try using an instrument I haven't showed before, this banjo. Now here's the thing, I've been doing a lot of bluegrass on this channel before, and I figured I know a couple of Irish tunes as well, so why not try doing one of those? So I figured, let's do the Wild Rover by the Dubliners or the High Kings, depends on which version you listen to, but more in like a clawhammer style I was planning, because even though I have the rings, like, you know, the banjo picks, the finger picks, I am pretty sloppy with my rolls. I figured I have a little bit easier of a time doing it just with my fingers, like... That's a terrible sample, but anyway, alright. Not much of an intro this time, so here is the Wild Rover by the Dubliners or the High Kings. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more, well, I played a Wild Rover, no, never, no more. I've been a Wild Rover for many's a year. I spent all my money on whiskey and beer, but now I'm returning with gold and great store. I never will play the Wild Rover no more, and it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more. Well, I played a Wild Rover, no, never, no more. I went into an alehouse I used to frequent. I told the landlady my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such a custom as yours I could have any day, and it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more. Well, I played a Wild Rover, no, never, no more. Then out of my pockets I took sovereigns right, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskey and wines of the best, and the words that I spoke, they were only in jest, and it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more. Well, I played a Wild Rover, no, never, no more. I'll go home to my parents, confess what I've done, and I ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And when they've caressed me as oft times before, I never will play the Wild Rover no more, and it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more. Well, I played a Wild Rover, no, never, no more, and it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more. Well, I played a Wild Rover, no, never, no more. Alright, that's it then. Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace out.